Alright folks, J&J Sports Cards, we're doing yet another box of 08 Triple Threads Baseball. Last box sucked.
So bad that we had to open another. Maybe a printing plate. Roberto Clemente. Mike Schmidt. Walter Johnson. Some legends in here. Here's a non-legend. Tony Gwynn. It is a printing plate. Oh, nice.
Wow, Ernie Banks at a 101.
It's got to be. 101. White Whale.
Ernie Banks, baby. That's a good one.
I almost bought one of his on the flea bag.
Check that out. Ernie Banks, 101. Sweet. Makes me not even want to open another pack.
Could be a nice one.
All right.
So you need a relic. Yeah, get some more Yankees.
Too late now.
Pack do.
We already opened it.
Yep. Find out what it is.
Houston Street. Vita Blue.
Zoolander.
Peavy. Torrey Hunter. Comes the Big Deuce.
It's a Red
It's a
Sox.
Red Sox.
Matsuzaka.
3 of 27. Manny Ramirez.
That's great. He's not on the team anymore.
Sweet.
Nice.
Manny Ramirez. Congratulations, you just been screwed.
Stay tuned.